Happy Deviled Egg Day. I can't believe it, but this actually is Deviled Egg Day. So in honor of that, I've decided to give you a few of my secrets for making the perfect deviled egg, and it starts with cooking. First thing I do is to turn the carton of eggs, while they're still raw, upside down. What that does is it recenters the egg yolk into the middle of the egg, and it'll give you the perfect shape to your deviled egg when you're done. That stays there for the same times it takes me to get this water boiling. Yes, I start my eggs in boiling water. You know, it's all a matter of controlling time and temperature. So I put them in boiling water. I cook my large eggs for about 11 minutes. And when I take them out, I plunge them into an ice bath. If you follow those instructions, you'll have the perfect hard-boiled egg every time. The next step in this process is peeling your eggs. Now, this used to be my most dreaded chore, but not since we invented the neg. All it takes is a 1/4 cup of water. I'm just filling that bottom cap, and it can be warm water, cold water, doesn't make any difference. You need a hard-boiled egg, that's important. Snap on the cap, you'll hear it close, and you know you've got your seal, and then you just shake. And you can also hear this change. It changed from a very sharp sound to a sort of thumping around in there. So now I know I'm all set to go, and all I do is roll it out, push it through the hole I've made with the shaking around, and now you've got your perfect egg. And this is what you always want to start with when you're doing deviled eggs, or you're going to be in trouble from the beginning. I've gathered all the ingredients, and I've also gone ahead and halved the hard-boiled eggs, and I've separated the yolks into a food processor. I've already pulsed these and made sure they were chopped finely. It makes it much easier to deal with when you're restuffing your eggs. And this is actually the fun part, because I know after I finish with this, I have to do all those dishes. I'm sure most of you have done piping of your eggs. The thing is to keep the bag coming straight up so you get that nice top on each one. And this is great fun, and it's fun to do with the grandkids. I'm going to finish these later. Thank you for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed all our tricks, and I forgot one thing that's really important. You know, everything's better with bacon. Enjoy. These really are delicious.